Apple's smallest box is about to get a serious upgrade. The Apple TV has been running on the A15 Bionic since 2021, the same chip that debuted with the iPhone 13. In tech years, that's ancient. By 2025, a 4-year-old processor just doesn't cut it anymore, and Apple seems ready to replace it with something far more capable, the A17 Pro. This chip isn't just faster, it's the same silicon driving the iPhone 15 Pro with advanced GPU features, Wi-Fi 6E support, and enough horsepower to run console-grade games. That opens the door for the Apple TV to finally push beyond streaming into serious gaming. Resident Evil Village already runs on iPhone 15 Pro, and with technologies like Metal FX upscaling titles as demanding as Cyberpunk 2077 could one day be playable on Apple's little black box. The updates won't stop at performance. Apple is also expected to push the Apple TV further as a home entertainment hub. Rumors point to support for high-resolution lossless audio, expanded Dolby Atmos features, and even DTS-X. These additions would finally answer long-standing requests from audiophiles who have been waiting for Apple to take its home theater ambition seriously. If these reports hold true, the next Apple TV won't just be a streaming accessory. It will be a full-scale media center. Design could be in for its first real shakeup in nearly 2 decades. Every Apple TV since the second generation has relied on a plastic body, a decision that now conflicts with Apple's carbon neutrality goals. Early renders show black and silver finishes with a metallic build, aligning with Apple's shift away from plastics across its product line. A more premium shell would not only make it more sustainable, but also help it blend seamlessly with modern living room setups. Timing lines up with Apple's usual fall schedule. Multiple reports suggest the company's September event is planned for the week of the 8th, with pre-orders expected to open on September 12th and deliveries beginning September 19th. Pricing may see a small bump. The current 64GB A15 model sells for $129, but with storage doubling to 128GB and the A17 Pro inside, analysts predict a starting point of $150. A model with Ethernet support could reach $170. The increase is hardly surprising given the hardware leap, possible material shift, and broader economic trends. If these leaks are accurate, this will be the most ambitious Apple TV refresh in years, transforming it from a quiet companion device into a serious piece of Apple's ecosystem.